Each Lit Suite app allows you to create a new case file with just a few taps. Open the app you'd like to use and tap on the Create New Case button in the case selection screen. Remember to take note of the location where your case file will be saved. We recommend saving your case files to the On My iPad location for offline access while you work in the Lit Suite apps. This ensures that your case is easily accessible and not reliant on internet connectivity. For now, select On My iPad from the sidebar to ensure your new case file will be created in the On My iPad location. In each app, you'll be able to choose a template. If you're creating your own case, select Empty Case File as the template. If you want to experiment with the sample case file, choose the Bare Arms v. Brotherwell case file. Now, it's time to name your case file. We recommend using a clear and descriptive naming system that you're familiar with, such as plaintiff versus defendant for a civil case. Once you've entered the name, tap on Create New Case File. Congratulations, you've successfully created and opened your first case file. Now you're ready to start importing.